Hey guys, it's Dev. It's not Dev. Damn, that has such a nice ring to it. How am I gonna do Alex? Hey guys, it's Alex. No, not really. Not as nice as I thought. Suggestions? Maybe comment them down below. Like all my OG people, like Seth, Neil, Ryan, anyone. And welcome back to another video. Now, if you read the title and thumbnail, you'll know what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to be working on my Audi S3. For those of you that don't know me, hi, my name's Alex Duval. I'm a South African photographer. I'm self-taught. I'm also currently studying film at AFTA, and I guess I'm going to try and be a YouTuber from now on, because this is what I'm going to invest my free time and effort into. And yeah, so today's video we're going to be making my S3 louder. Yes, it's spending money on my car, but it's birthday money that I saved up for, and this is something I've been wanting to do forever. And those of you that actively watch the channel know I've had the S3 for probably less than half a year now. So the fact that it's still stock surprises a lot of people, because if you know the previous car I had, which was a modded Audi TT, a 2007 model, it's pretty weird for me to just have a stock car that's not loud or modded and stuff like that. But the car's been giving me issues. As you know, it's an Audi, it's a German car. They're known for having electrical issues and stuff like that, and that's what I've been struggling with. The car's been tripping light after light. Oil level sensor system fault, that's the exact code I got, which tells me the oil level sensor is broken, which isn't that bad. Replaced it and the error code came back, and I got another error code that says vehicle electronics fault. Please shift to park and contact a workshop or something like that. But that error and everything seems to be fixed. Me and Lenzel seem to have fixed it now. That's why I can finally get into modding the car, because I've been trying to fix it because I can't spend money on a car that's broken, if that makes sense. So hopefully it's fixed now. I'll obviously update you guys if it's not, because yeah, that car is a YouTube car now, and hopefully it gets well known around here. I've got some big plans. I've got a few videos planned coming up. It's just I need to somehow get the funds to do them. But as soon as I do that, you guys will see the videos. So if you want to help me do that, and this is the type of content you want to see, please subscribe, like the video, share it, whatever. Don't like it if you didn't, dislike it if it's a shitty video. That's the only way I'm going to know, like, hey, you're slacking. So keep me on my toes. If you want to be a subscriber of mine, keep me on my toes. Yeah. I think it's not going to focus on me, but I think that's enough car washing for now. You guys really probably want to see or hear what the car is going to sound like tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm going to leave you guys here. We'll cut to tomorrow morning when I head there, and yeah, cool. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around a little bit, zoom you guys, not in, out, and just put the focus on my face because it's not an autofocus now. Okay, so we're heading to Kyalami Exhausts now. If you guys know South African, you know our racetracks here, you know Kyalami racetrack. There was a 24-hour held there last year sometime during lockdown and stuff. So yeah, it was pretty cool. We're going there, we're going to a place called Kyalami Exhausts. Now, they were the cheapest exhaust I could find for the car, with quality in mind, obviously. Yeah, so we're gonna head there, we're gonna see and meet the guys that are gonna install the downpipe on my S3, and hopefully we can get some life and character back out of this car, because right now it does sometimes sound like a vacuum cleaner. Like, it can sound a lot better than that clip recording I got. Stuck in traffic. How lovely. We'll get there eventually. At least the car's filled up. So, yeah. It's so pretty, but I'm still stuck in it. Whoopsie! Okay, so I thought getting to the highway would be good, but it would seem we're stuck at like a solid 50 kilometers an hour, where it should be like 120. All the lanes are looking like this. I'm sticking to the left lane because, yeah, it's just a nightmare. If you zoom in a little bit further over there, you can see lots of cars. So yeah, I'm gonna be a fair bit late, but it's fine. It's Joburg, it happens. Welcome to Africa, I guess. Oh man, Adam LZ RS6. Man, I want one of these. This one's a little bit dusty. It seems to be sitting outside, but it does have, I hope you guys can see it, like carbon fiber mirrors. You can also see me, but it's got the carbon fiber mirrors. I think that's actually something I might want to do on the S3, because right now it's got these like silver mirror caps. These ones, the stock Audi ones. Nothing wrong with them, they look pretty. It's just, yeah, I prefer them in black. But if I can put carbon on them, then it's even better. This side's a better example. You can see there's like rippling and stuff, and it's actually, let's see, it's a little bit broken, like this clip, so this whole little lid is a little bit loose, but we'll fix that eventually. Yeah, we're here at Kyalami Exhausts. They're just making some space, and then we should see the car on the lift within the hour. So yeah, yeah, it's not focused on me at all. Yeah, so we'll see what happens, and hopefully it sounds nice. But yeah, from the Instagram and stuff, it sounded pretty cool. the first start. I wonder what this is going to sound like. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's a lot better. Okay, so we're back in the S3. This is the first time I'm driving the car, literally leaving the place now. Yes, it's basically dark. Sorry, the footage is going to be horrible, but I put the camera on auto the whole day today. So, yeah, I don't know which way to go. Not this
Turn
way.
left, and then make a U-turn.
Sounds a lot better.
Turn right, and then keep
My phone went flying. Car's too strong. Sounds a little bit better, but I do think it might need a full exhaust at some point. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video till thus far. It's been a long one, but I mean it was a long day for me yesterday. It's now the following day. Flower helped me to film those exterior shots you guys probably just watched. She's over there, a little bit mad at me because she wants coffee and now I'm recording the outro first. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more S3 content. That's how you support me, and that's how I'm going to be able to continue to make videos like these, and I think both of us would like to do that. So yeah, this has been Alex, and I'll check you guys in the next video.